I wasn't pushing it hard enough. God damn it, none of that recorded. That was just making sure I was awake. Well, I had a whole vlog on the way over here, but I lost it all. Because I wasn't pushing it hard enough. Damn, first time I wasn't going hard enough, I think, ever. Hey, yo, what? I think they heard me. Looking at me. I think he heard me. Oh, God, he heard I wasn't going hard enough. Hey, yo. But, this is my first time using the vertical. So, hopefully, it's pretty good. I'm not going to read it. What do I want to do? Okay, we got a car coming behind us. Thank you, buddy. We need you. We need you. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. But, yeah. So this is my first time using the vertical mount on the Insta360 Ace Pro. Hopefully it looks good. What's up? But yeah, like I was saying, I just vlogged the whole way over here. Like there's different clips of me stopping, starting. There was a big booty truck that I wanted to, didn't do it. I was a little scared. I was lane split and saw that dumpy, was like, nope, I'm gonna fucking boom boom play pinball between trucks, cars, and wow. So I was like, no playing with that big booty hoe. But yeah, no, so we lost the vlog. We were on our way to Maui Moto Sport, my alley, I don't know. Kay and Steve are gonna meet us here. I'm Kay, and I don't know what Steve's full out is.